Welcome to Yeeflow Data List Tutorial Series. Today, we'll leverage the powerful versioning control for your data lists. To begin, navigate to the desired data list. Click the More Settings button and go to the List Settings. Here, you'll find the Versions option. From the pop-up window, choose to turn on or off the versioning feature for this data list. It's off by default. With a simple toggle, you can activate versioning, allowing every change to be meticulously tracked and recorded. Please note that only the admin of the data list can view the version history info. With versioning enabled, accessing the history of any item becomes straightforward. Open an existing item. From the top right, click More button. You will now be able to see the version history item from the pop-up menu list. In the version history dialog, the latest version is the current one. You can click on the version number to view each version's detailed info, or click on the More Action button and select View to see the details. Click the Delete menu item to delete any history versions. Click the Restore menu item to use the previous version to replace the current version. This restore operation also generates a new version. Yeeflow's versioning control offers an unparalleled layer of data management, ensuring that no change goes unnoticed. With these tools at your disposal, maintaining the integrity of your data has never been easier. For more insightful tips, stay tuned to our channel. Thank you for watching.